right, so classwork. So the good news is for everybody that comes or attends class, you got 500 points for attending class. So you do not, and I repeat, you just need to watch the videos. You do not need to fill the here, let me see, where is it? The student handout out at all. But what you just have to watch the videos. So what? Yeah, just I gave you the points already. Don't worry about it. So we are going to do together this. It says ecology of the Dust Bowl, grafting the Dust Bowl. So I am pulling that up, and so the first thing we have is this picture of the United States with the different ecological systems. And I am pulling it up on my bigger screen so I can see, because I am half blind. Let's see, classwork. Yeah, see, you get points for coming to school and participating. All right, so the first question it asks is, given the map below, what type of ecosystem? And the answer is grasslands. And you can see it right here in the center of the country, and it says grasslands. All right, so what latitude zone does this area fall in? So it says tropics, subtropics, neither one of those. Temperate, Arctic, or Antarctic. So it's going to be temperate. So if I highlight, I love my little, I would highlight temperate. What is the annual temperature pattern? Oh, I probably call it seasonal. An annual precipitation pattern. Well, we learned from the videos, it's very low in that area. And if anybody can remember why it was so low, there's something, and I am sure it has something to do with being between two mountain ranges. You have the Rockies on this side, and then don't forget you have the Appalachians, which run right here on this side. So that definitely affects the weather. So Oklahoma County map is here, and the data used in this activity comes from Cimarron County in Oklahoma. Highlight or shade in that county on the map, and I don't think you can do that. At least I don't know how to do that, so that's okay. Don't worry about it. All right, so types of prairies. So this shows 3 classifications of prairies. We've got mixed grass, tall grass, short grass. And if we look The major problem areas look like, almost to me, well, short grass and mixed grass. So Oklahoma is right here. So my answer is going to be um, mixed. Oh, that I didn't mean that. Get up there. Oh well, I'll try again. Mixed. Can I spell mixed grass? All right. So this type of prairie would probably have um it's a good question. I'm going with less. It's I'm not gonna say anything about right or wrong answers. I'm just gonna, because we know they told us specifically that this area is plagued by droughts and poor rainfall. It was a fluke that they even had rain during those periods that the first people came in the 1900s. All right, so we have seen this root system before. Um, so it can go on average. You see, on average, if we go here, it's probably 6 feet down, and then we have a few that go deeper. So record the maximum root depth of each species. All right, so you're going to use the sheet here, and you're going to look. There's the prairie drop seed. So you're just going to go across, and that says 5. Next one. Okay, so 5, this is a little longer. So I'd say 8. False bone set is the next one. Probably 9. So continue, do them all. How do you get the average? You take the total divided by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, divided by 11. All right, you can do that on your own. So now it wants you to graph the average temperature. So what I am going to do is copy this, Control C, and you are going to file new spreadsheet. And you're going to click, and you're going to paste that information over here. So first thing you need to do is total these amounts. So let's go into our first box. How do you total? You write equal sum, bracket, and you click and drag and close the bracket, and it gives you the sum. Now, you could do that same thing, or you could copy the formula to the next one. All right, so average temperature. So we summed all the temperatures, but now we want to then divide it by 12 months. So there is, the average temperature was 54 degrees. Now we want to create a chart and graph this information. So you highlight your information and you say insert and you scroll down to chart. Where'd it go? Ah, there you go. So we've got total precipitation and average temperature, and it goes across by month. Voila. Okay. Looks good to me. So you are going to submit this chart. I would probably copy this because you want to name it. There we go. All right, so let's go back to our sheet. We're almost done. We're doing pretty good. So in an average year, the total precipitation will be 13.9 inches with a range of 0.78 to 1.74 inches each month. Would you predict that a wheat farmer would have greater, less, or about the same yield this year compared to an average year? Okay. Now, that's the 1928 data. This is the 1935 data. So again, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to copy it. We are going to go to our spreadsheet. We're going to close that. We're going to move down. Actually, I want to move this. I don't want that. Can I, will it let me move it? No. It should turn into, that's up and down, but I want the mover. How do I move it? All right, so there's edit chart. All right, let's just make a new spreadsheet for this 1935 data. So we are going to paste it on here. It says it's working. I don't see it. Let me copy it again. So, copy, paste. There we go. Again, we gotta sum everything. So I'm going to click and drag and close the parentheses to get total precipitation. So I'm going to copy the formula. I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to divide it by 12 to get the average temperature. Now is up from 1928 to 57.4 from 54. Now we're going to insert another chart with the data. And there we go. And go back to the question. So the question was average year 13.9. Would you predict that a wheat farmer would have greater or less or about the same yield? So let's look at this again. So it was precipitation 9, and this was a bumper yield. I would say probably a little more. A little more based on rain. Okay. All right, so let's move down. How much difference were the 2 years? Well, let's look. Um, so we have, where's my data though? Um, there we go. Precipitation.
That would be a better way to take stuff, boxes. And then you just line them all up and you're good to go.
Was it more? I have to look again. Um, File, new spreadsheet. Sorry. Gotta go back. All right. Looking in January. Oh, no, you know. Look at 25 inches versus 9. Oh, big, big, big difference. All right. All right, sorry. Big difference. All right, so huge difference between 1928 and 1935. All right, so if 1935 was 9 minus 25 equals X. Hold on. Open up. Clear. 9 minus 25 equals 16. divided by 25. That's 64% difference. Okay, so how would you, great, tremendous amount. All right, amount, um, okay, tracking the drought. So one more little spreadsheet. You're going to copy, you're going to create a spreadsheet. You're going to paste your information. Is it coming? There it is. So one of the things we're going to do, you see how it split everything up? So we're going to have to tie it all together. So I am moving things together. Otherwise, we won't get the correct information. So let's move this down here. Now it will make a fabulous chart. So we want to erase this. So hit your backspace, that will clear it. And now we highlight these two columns and go down and insert. Oh, hello, come back. Chart. Oh, look at this chart. And let's just spread it out a little bit. The data was missing, but we have a lovely graphic here. Love it. Of the precipitation, and we can see, I guess they had a bumper year in 1941, I would assume. All right, so let's go back. So let us look at concluding. Yeah. Okay. All right. Um, you too. Have a great weekend. We got 6 questions. We'll do it Monday. All right. Thanks. Bye. All right, everybody. I am going to finish the video and we will finish up Monday. So let us